Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with indices news where US blue chip index Dow Jones reached record highs yesterday, breaking through the 20,000 point mark for the first time in its history. It's only been a year since the Dow had fallen below 16,000 points, and it was not the only record breaker after yesterday's trading, as both the Nasdaq and S&P 500 also recorded new highs. In other news, RBS is set to follow Deutsche Bank in receiving a hefty fine from the US Department of Justice after it has emerged that the taxpayer-backed lender is likely to be fined for the mis-selling of mortgage securities. A formal statement is expected to be released as early as today, with the charge expected to be between $3 to $4 billion. Retailers across the UK have reported that some 84,000 jobs have been cut during the final quarter of 2016, with the industry suggesting that it could be in for a more rigorous shake-up than is experienced after the financial crisis. The decline in employment was driven by food retailers, with year-on-year jobs count falling by 3% in the final quarter of 2016. Chief Exec of the British Retail Consortium, Helen Dickinson, pointed not just to higher prices, fierce competition and the expansion of digital technology as the reasons for job reductions, but also the recognition by retailers that staff levels need to be continuously examined in order to adapt to the current economic climate. The news comes as retail giant Tesco has been forced to fight off further claims by an investor over its 2014 accounting scandal. Return to under fire telecommunications giant British Telecoms after it's been announced that it is set to be hit by at least 2 US lawsuits after it admitted to a £530 million accounting black hole in its Italian arm. Shareholders in the company filed the lawsuit accusing BT and 3 of its executives of securities fraud. The news comes as one of BT's top 10 largest investors has stated that it was time the company considered reining back its international operations to refocus on the UK market. Unilever, the Marmite maker, has its full year's results out today, whilst there are also earnings released for Sky, Ford, Diageo, Alphabet, Microsoft and Starbucks. It's also been announced that Johnson Johnson is buying Swiss biotech company Actelion in a $30 billion deal. In upcoming data, 9:30 UK BBA mortgage approvals data for December is announced. Also at 9:30, UK GDP fourth quarter figures are released. 1:30 sees US initial jobless claims for the 20th of January revealed. And at 3 o'clock, US new home sales figures for December are uncovered. Thank you for listening.